Was your gyro too spicy?
No, not really. Why, was yours?
Yeah, it was a little spicy, but it was really good.
Oh yeah, it was the best I've had in a while.
Hey, what's that parchment behind the garbage can?
Let's check it out. It looks like some sort of treasure map.
Yeah. Let's try to find it.
Great idea.
It looks like we should start heading in that direction. Off we go.
Halt, children, what seeketh thee?
We, just found this map and
We're looking for the treasure.
Oh, the treasure what thou seekest. I just happen to know where the treasure lies.
No way. Wanna clue us in?
Now, that would be too easy. Don't you know who I am? I am Archimedes, the mother of mathematics. I am a Greek mathematician, a physicist, an engineer, an inventor, an astronomer. I am known as the greatest mathematician to ever walk this earth. Among my greatest accomplishments is the Archimedes screw, which has been used for thousands of years to raise water from the earth. I also invented a method for determining the volume of an object within a regular shape. In addition, I was able to find the closest approximation to pi. So I guess you could say it, I'm a pretty big deal. And I have a problem for you to solve. If thou answer it correctly, I shall send you in the proper direction.
I guess.
what kind of problem?
Well, you see, I've been working on a new formula that gives you the area beneath an arch, quite like this one.
Let's say that the equation of this arch is y equals 9 minus x squared. My formula for parabolic arches says that the area under this arch is 2/3 the base times the height. This arch, if graphed as a parabola, would intersect the x-axis at x equals positive and negative 3, and hence the length of the base is 2 times 3, which is 6 units. The height is 9 units, so using my formula, the area under this arch is 2/3 times 6 times 9, which is 36 square units.
So the answer is 36?
Well, duh, she just said it.
Shut up! You think I don't know that?
Eureka! I am such a fool! You play me like a fiddle, you adolescent pests!
Well, we gave you the correct answer, and you said that if we did, you'd tell us where to go. A deal is a deal.
Fine, you two fuzzy little man-feet ratchets! The way to the treasure is north, through the doors over yonder. Fool me once, shame on me. Fool me twice, well, shame on me again. Deuces, Archimedes out.
Where have you been? I've been waiting on this godforsaken chair for hours, baking under these hot fluorescent lights, with no juice box. Where is the juice pouch? Have I not clearly instructed you to respect the pouch?
Oh, no, she didn't.
You better believe I did.
Ladies, I think there's been quite a misunderstanding. You see, we don't have any juice pouches, nor we were instructed to bring them. We're just looking for the treasure.
You need to keep your mouth shut about the treasure.
Oh, you're looking for the treasure now, are you? I could be of assistance in your search, even though you don't have my juice box.
Oh yeah? We could really use some help.
I am Euclidia, the mother of geometry. My book Elements is one of the most influential works in the history of mathematics, serving as the main textbook for teaching mathematics.
All right, great. So how can you help us?
Save the attitude if you want my assistance. I happen to have a mathematical question for you regarding my parallel postulate theory.
Did you hear that?
You mean that giraffe in the corner over there?
Will you pay attention? You see, I have found that when two lines intersect another line, and their interior angles add up to 180 degrees. That means that the lines are parallel to one another and will never intersect. That information, find me two lines in the area that are parallel.
Nicolette, I think we found two lines that work with your rule.
Prove it. Well, we found that the interior angles of these two lines, when intersected by a line, add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, these lines will never intersect, making them parallel.
Well done, children. Now, if only you had my juice box.
Hey, a deal is a deal. You said you'd help us.
Okay. All you have to do is hang a left.
Okay, thanks.
Halt, younglings! Where do you think you're going?
Look, we're just trying to get to this treasure using a map we found.
Haha, a treasure? No one has been able to find this treasure for years.
Why not?
Simply because no one has been able to pass the obstacles in the way. You see, my friends Euclidia and Archimedia have guarded the trail, presenting difficult mathematical problems to those seeking the treasure. There's no way you'll ever find this treasure with those two blocking your path.
But we already solved their problems.
Not possible. No one has ever gotten this far in the journey. You must prove what you say to be true.
Well, Archimedes showed us how to find the area beneath the parabola, and we found the area beneath an arc she presented to us.
Yeah, and Euclidia taught us about parallel lines and how to tell what lines are parallel. We used angle measurements to find two lines that would never intersect.
Very well. I believe that you have completed these tasks. Now, you must solve my mathematical problem as well. You see, I am Pythagoras, the great mathematician and philosopher. Most know me by my Pythagorean theorem, a theorem that exists in geometry that states that a right-angled triangle, in a right-angled triangle, the area of the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two legs. You get the equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Here is a triangle with a right angle. Let's say that this leg is 3 inches, this leg is 4 inches, and the hypotenuse is 5 inches. The area of the square of the hypotenuse is 25. And the sum of the area of the squares of the legs is 9 plus 16, which is also equal to 25. I taught you my theorem. You must find the third side of a triangle when given the lengths of the two other sides. Then I will show you the way.
Let's do it.
Ah, so eager. Let's say the leg of this triangle is equal to 24, which will stand for A. The hypotenuse is equal to 40, which will stand for C. So, children, what is the length of leg B?
24 is 8 times 3, which was the length of the original triangle you presented to us.
Then leg B is 8 times 4, which is 32.
I don't believe it. You two have earned the treasure. Follow me to the promised land.
Welcome to the party. You've made it to the end. We always knew you could do it.
You see, the treasure is really just a giant gyro party.
No one's ever made it this far. Come and party with us, Zacharias and Odessa. Gangnam Style.
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자